Introducing chia seeds, the tiny powerhouses that have been used as food for thousands of years and have gained immense popularity in recent times. In this video, we'll dive into the incredible features, specifications, and even the price of chia seeds. So, let's get started. Chia seeds are not just your ordinary seeds. They are an excellent source of nutrients that promote heart health. Packed with fiber, healthy fats, and magnesium, chia seeds can help lower heart disease risk factors like high cholesterol and blood pressure. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're taking a step towards a healthier heart. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also known for their digestion-boosting properties. Being a concentrated source of fiber, they support digestion and help prevent constipation. Plus, they contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote intestinal health. So, if you're looking to improve your digestive system, chia seeds might just be the answer. Did you know that chia seeds can also help regulate blood sugar levels? Yes, you heard it right. These incredible seeds can improve glycemic control, making them a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. So, if you're someone who wants to keep their blood sugar levels in check, chia seeds could be a game changer for you. Weight loss enthusiasts, listen up. Chia seeds are your new best healthy weight loss. So, if you're on a weight loss journey, don't forget to include chia seeds in your diet. Now, let's talk specifications. Each 1 ounce serving of chia seeds contains a power-packed 138 calories. But don't worry, these calories come with a host of nutrients. You'll get 4.86 grams of protein, 8.7 grams of healthy fats, 11.9 grams of carbohydrates, and a whopping 9.75 grams of fiber. That's right, fiber lovers, chia seeds have got you covered. Iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. These minerals are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. So, by incorporating chia seeds into your diet, there you have it, folks. Chia seeds, the tiny but mighty superfood that can do wonders for your health. From promoting heart health to aiding in digestion, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting weight loss, chia seeds have it all. Plus, with their impressive nutrient profile and reasonable price range, there's no reason not to give them a try. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on some chia seeds and start reaping the incredible benefits today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.